What's up guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of skullcandy earphones. I bought this package from Snapdeal, so let's open this. Nothing there. So this is the package. I ordered this from snapdeal.com, and these are the earphones. I ordered the gold plated version of the Supreme Sound Inked. Let's open this. So tight. Sorry. I think so. So we got buds, very tightly packed. We have the gold plated 3.5 mm headphone pin, and sorry. And these are the headphones. Where's the other one? Yeah, these are the headphones. What the hell, why is it not taking focus? So I have to end this video here only. Please like, share, subscribe. Peace.